Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of that perfect California getaway, the one you see in postcards and movies, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic cities in the world, San Francisco, and we're starting with its crown jewel, the magnificent Golden Gate Bridge. Is a trip here really worth the hype? And how can you do it without breaking the bank? Stick around, because I'm about to spill all the secrets to an unforgettable San Francisco adventure. Let's talk about that first jaw-dropping moment. You round a corner, and there it is, the Golden Gate Bridge, blazing in its signature international orange against the crisp blue sky, or shrouded mysteriously in its famous fog. Photos just don't do it justice. The sheer scale of it is mind-blowing. It's not just a bridge. It's a masterpiece of engineering and art. The best part? Experiencing this view can be absolutely free. One of my favorite spots is Battery Spencer on the Marin Headlands side. It gives you that classic elevated shot with the city skyline in the background. Or, for a different perspective, head to Baker Beach on a clear day. The contrast of the orange steel against the sandy shore and crashing waves is just stunning. Now, I know what you're thinking. San Francisco is expensive. And you're not wrong. It can be. But let's break down a realistic budget. For a mid-range trip, you can expect to spend around $200 to $300 per day. This would cover a decent hotel outside the super touristy areas like Union Square, your food and activities. A flight into SFO will vary, but booking a few months in advance can save you a bundle. Once you're here, forget expensive taxis. The city's public transit, the Muni system, is your best friend. A multi-day visitor pass is a fantastic investment, giving you unlimited rides on buses, historic streetcars, and even the famous cable cars. This alone will save you a ton of cash and let you explore freely. So, you've seen the bridge. What's next? Let's get up close and personal. You can walk or bike across the Golden Gate's 1.7-mile span. I highly recommend renting a bike in the Marina District and making the journey across to the charming bayside town of Sausalito. The ride is mostly flat until the approach to the bridge, and the views from the middle are just unparalleled. You feel the wind, hear the hum of the traffic, and see the city from a perspective you'll never forget. Once in Sausalito, you can grab a well-deserved ice cream, wander through the art galleries, and then take a scenic ferry back to Fisherman's Wharf with your bike right on board. The ferry ride itself is an attraction, offering incredible views of the bridge, Alcatraz, and the city skyline. Speaking of Fisherman's Wharf, let's dive into the food scene. Yes, it's touristy, but you can't leave without trying a classic sourdough bread bowl filled with clam chowder. Head to Boudin Bakery to see the bakers at work and grab a warm, tangy bowl of goodness. But San Francisco's culinary landscape goes way beyond the wharf. For an authentic taste of the city, you have to explore the Mission District. This vibrant neighborhood is famous for its incredible taquerias. Seriously, a mission-style burrito is a life-changing experience. It's huge, packed with delicious ingredients, and surprisingly affordable. Another must-visit is the Ferry Building Marketplace. It's a food lover's paradise with artisan cheese, fresh oysters, amazing coffee, and gourmet chocolates. It's a great place to grab lunch and enjoy the bay views. Beyond the big sights, the real magic of San Francisco is in its diverse neighborhoods. Take a walk through Haight-Ashbury, the epicenter of the 1960s counterculture movement. The colorful Victorian houses, quirky vintage shops, and lingering hippie vibe make it a fascinating place to explore. Then there's the elegant Alamo Square, home to the famous Painted Ladies, a row of beautiful Victorian houses set against the backdrop of the modern city skyline. This is that classic full house photo spot. Don't forget to wander through North Beach, the city's Little Italy. Enjoy a cappuccino at a sidewalk cafe, browse the iconic City Lights bookstore, and feel the Beat Generation history that still echoes through the streets. Each neighborhood has its own unique personality, and just spending a day getting lost in them is an adventure in itself. Of course, no trip to the Bay is complete without considering a tour of Alcatraz. This former federal prison, once home to infamous inmates like Al Capone, is now a fascinating national park. You need to book your tickets weeks, sometimes months, in advance, especially for the popular night tour, as they sell out fast. The audio tour is exceptionally well done, featuring voices of former inmates and guards that bring the island's chilling history to life. The ferry ride over provides yet another stunning angle of the Golden Gate Bridge and the city. Even if you're not a huge history buff, the stories and the atmosphere of the Rock are absolutely captivating. It's a truly unique and memorable experience. Let's talk about some free and low-cost activities to round out your trip. Golden Gate Park is a must-do. It's actually larger than New York's Central Park and is full of hidden gems. You can visit the Japanese Tea Garden for a small fee, wander through the free botanical gardens, or just relax by Stowe Lake on Sundays. A main road through the park is closed to cars, making it perfect for a leisurely stroll or bike ride. Another fantastic spot is Twin Peaks. You can drive or take a strenuous hike to the top for a breathtaking 360-degree panoramic view of the entire city and the bay. It's especially beautiful at sunset or at night when the city lights start to twinkle. These experiences cost little to nothing but deliver million-dollar views and memories. So, what's the verdict? A vacation centered around the Golden Gate Bridge and San Francisco is more than just a trip. It's an experience. It's a city of stunning vistas, rich history, and incredible food. It's the sound of the foghorns rolling in, the taste of sourdough on your tongue, and the burn in your legs after climbing one of its famous hills. From the majestic scale of the bridge to the intimate charm of its neighborhoods, San Francisco delivers on every level. You can do it on a budget, and you leave with a camera full of unbelievable photos and a heart full of amazing memories. It is, without a doubt, one of the most amazing vacation experiences you can have. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour of San Francisco. I hope this has inspired you to plan your own adventure to the city by the bay. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next travel guide. What's your favorite thing to do in San Francisco? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.